Get your ribs cracking.
Yo.
Bitter City, give it up for Alicology.
DJ Liver. No worry. I'm going to clap for me because casino with that brother. I be first elder brother with the swag. I be the swag not rich. I know you should be elder brother. Sibling, man. Uchina. Should the case you say I be fake, forget. Who they supply the video, then they supply me. The video they wear 32 karat gold. Me they wear 32 judo gold. Fight not be fight. The video go wear a own chain. Now like 1.2 million, more than 1,002. There is one, there is two. Ladies and gentlemen, Davido go wear in the wear chain. Me, I'm living in chain. Davido go wear chain, he go get recognition. Me, I go wear chain, I go get chain reaction. Chain not be chain. People where they give me time, I'll go and kill all of you now. Somebody, cameraman, I greet you, Jerry. See where life they talk go now. This life not bad. So those of you now where they shout life balance, life not balance. But some now you not stand well. The life really balance. Native doctor give you soap, make you take bath, you use and masturbate. At 24, you don't get 17 children. The first speaking at 5 years. How you want to explain now? You know easy now. This is our work. I used to go beg now division of labor. My own to crack and my own to laugh. So if I crack we Ogundo kill you before. DJ. Not try and wake up like with the same bleaching cream. Ladies and gentlemen, your work not to laugh. So if I crack joke, if it's funny, you laugh for the joke. If it's not funny, you laugh at the joke. Because to crack joke not be joking matter. To make you laugh not be laughing matter. My work not to crack joke, but I don't joke with my work. My brother, one guy crack joke, nobody laugh. Before you know microphone for your hand. Before I say me pick the microphone, everybody don't go. Because the man one guy say, bros, now let you believe in my career. Now I carry a call. I may be engineer, one lockdown, give me my key. One guy crack joke, nobody laugh. Now somebody go meet him. Sorry, do you have a complimentary card? He said, I've not done it. And the guy said, good, don't do it. Bros, I said, one guy crack joke. I did with one event planner. As the guy crack joke, the guy was dry. As he crack joke, nobody laugh. When the event planner come call the guy, he said, give me your card. I said, but this guy was dry now. He said, yes, so I want to know his name so that we'll make sure we'll not call him for event. Oh, but this is our work, no, you see you. Now, so it still be like, this is our work, just be like Nigerian girls. I carry girl come my house. For the girl. The girl get my to tell me, say, me I prove my love for her. When I just on generator, you not much for fuel. May I prove my love? How? That's rubbish, man. Ladies and gentlemen, do we have bankers in the house? Terrace. Oh boy, this life. You know the difference between me and you and money? Me, I nick a bar for Reno. Childhood friend. Wow. Last year you give me 500K. You know say dollar not dear, so you go increase down. Terrace. Ladies and gentlemen, if you know you work here in the bank, all the bankers, please put your hands together for yourself. Comedy work be like banking work. You go come on for your house around 6. Come reach bank around 7:30. Count people money. You feel count 400 billion. At the end of the month, they'll give you 45K. See, if I work for bank for 2 months, I'll go jail. I go thief 2 days money, I don't go. Canada straight. One guy come they work for bank, the guy come take 500 billion. And they take the guy, go court. They come sue the guy 5 years. Now, if he served that 5 years, he will become 500 billion naira richer. Bros, the guy don't do 1 year, do 2 years, do 3 years, do 4 years. He don't do 4 years and 8 months. He remain 2 months. He don't do almost. He just remain 2 days. May become billionaire. Now his mama can't go see the money where I hide them. His mama carry the money. Government may wanna take una money, give me my pikin. Oh. Take una money, give me my pikin. Oh. Eh? As we speak, now next week be the woman burial. Now, ladies and gentlemen, see this idiot. 1 minute now remain. I fly for you. I beg you. Casino bring old school musicians. How many of you know say plantation boys they be armed robbers before? No, nothing talk about. Hear their lyrics. Oh no. I am standing by your window. Man me love for your door. We know the day sorrow. People window and door. And you know they fear. After I done for driver, sorry Jare. I know plantation boys student be armed robber before too now. Una remember blackface. They come from Uyo, they go rob. Thank God face they here. Tell una by himself. Then they come from Uyo, they go rob. Now they catch them. Two-Face carry the money run. Blackface can't say, now so them they carry us go prison. You do. We not do nothing, but we see they go rob. Then they go track Two-Face, break his neck for first stack. POP for Two-Face neck. If you call Two-Face. Hey, Two-Face, we can't use Two-Face they play. We go call Two-Face as he want to will dodge. Two-Face will dodge. Two-Face will dodge. Now Two-Face can't develop skills. As he hear his name, Two-Face. Go shook her for pocket. Bring mirror. Ghana, you have a conference. So the thing on the pain face. That face can't go studio. It can't go meet Reverend Father. Face can't go repent. Mona your face so. He can't confess. We be thief, later become rogue. We the thief things together, thief in the peace and hand money. But suddenly, the thief they make that agree. One thief motto, another thief follow. Oh no. The world they face right now, say the thief their things individually. But remember some days, we go thief each other. Cause truly all of us are robbers. In case you don't know it, this not true story. There is a little misunderstanding going in three thieves with our handcuff. We must break all. Me, I first stop thief. But my mama once warned me, my son, you have your gun, you have the upper hand. You go make a if you rob alone. Say if not be the only one, say I. No go fit the road, what banks, or see. But don't tire, Jerry. My mama don't drive. I better give me that water. Cameraman, give me that water. Bros, and your water, I want to drink. No, just give me that one. Who give me water? Utra. Casino Utra. You know you trust your audience. Say they won't poison me. But I'm going to know first. My mom don't try. Later. See how human being resemble debit alert. It don't do. I bet when I'm not first, they want use time to spoil my performance. Now, when I'm not first, I'll do this one because the old school. How many of you are not now because of fried rice? Now most of our musicians release album. This guy, Mandela, called they do show for South Africa. He call me and bring artists, Nigerian guys. Now bring all the Nigerian artists. Now they're not going to give us rice. They call they use rice, they punish Nigerian artists. Everybody call them hungry. I say, guy, wanna give us rice? They're not yet. How many of you know Gino? Before we know, Gino just bring rice. So, Gino, where you see rice? Now Gino research. Everyone need rice. If you did trip, how I get my rice? No be God. Now I come go kitchen. I say Nigerian artists never chop now. Which kind I want? Now I want get your stomach. Where are the Nigerian artists that have not eaten? Nice so Baba your stand up. Hosta day so food never reach hand. Hosta even me so Baba day I never chop. As I give her food, now they are not say the bunch get environmental bad luck when it comes to rice. The bunch sit down for back, they share rice, he not reach the hand. He confront, they share rice, he not reach the hand. Now the bunch provoke. Why me? These guys say try me. Why me? I said, the bunch, what is he saying? Now the guy provoked. I don't know how to say this. These girls ain't driving me crazy. The first time when I saw her with the fried rice, I not trust her. Her face was suspicious. I was sitting on the backside. They can share rice. You don't reach me from the backside. I moved to the front side. She no one give me my rice. She the kind of pass on my front. Now hold on, feel it. Oh boy, now there, P Square collect the meat. As P Square collect the meat, now P Square shout, hey, this is the real meat. Hey, this is the real meat. I can't notice, what did they call them? What did be their name? Star Plus. Star Plus not really settle down. I said, Star Plus settle down. Now Star Plus provoke. Anytime I try to settle down, they give me rice. Every time that they carry rice past my front. Even the very first girl when I beg for fried rice, she said, I'm such a loser. Oh boy, ladies and gentlemen, this one our time open. God bless you guys, been easy. Thank you very much.
Give it up for Alikology. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the height of comedy. Bringing on stage right about now. He is an online sensation. He is funny. He's spontaneous. They call him the music beast. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for another funny comedian coming on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, I bring to you Paul Joint.
Hey, come on here. No play again. Believe people, happy new year. I greet you now. Casino, God go judge you. You say I go perform on the first, I perform on the second now. Nigerians like groove for Lagos. Come on, Children's Day, May 27, hotel for Lagos, fully booked. Who lodge? I don't even know. That's why I don't talk. I need to associate myself with poor people. Poor people are so superstitious. Poor man. You know, say when rich man sneeze, excuse me. Don't be poor people. Poor man go sneeze, hey, who they gossip me? Who are you? What did they pay for poor people? Rich man in palm go to itch am. If it be nature, go to complain. My palm has been itching me. A fellow rich man go say, when last did you visit your doctor? You say, it's been a while. Come on, go and see your doctor. Leave it that way. Not be poor people, though. Poor man, make the hand a child. Hey, this one man, they scratch me, blast money, they come. You know, can work. Where the money won't come from? You don't see why they vandalize rich man car? If fellow rich man go to mock him. Mr. James, we learned to vandalize your car. Come on, I told you to leave that estate. That estate does not befit your standard. Come on. What's your lawyer doing about it? You can say, okay, what about your insurance company? Not be poor people. Poor people, not be more to them vandalize the generator, the thief. You can see like 80 tenants go gather for the scenes. The end, wait till they pay me. Yeah. You can't get 1 year, what did they talk? My brother, leave him, man. The person is thief this generator. Now your problem is thief go. How generator to be my problem? Very nonsense. One guy, I think they call this guy, somebody, casino, now you talk about somebody, all this way they jackpot. Forget to Nigerians now. They don't go country. They don't get the situation of the country where they go. Their own, I just show me they don't come for Nigeria. In the name of jackpot, my friend go country where they map. I know like, how I tell you no. You know, say when international number call you, you go just see star. You go just see, what do they call, how do they call that? Plus 447 plus 382 plus, you go to see the code. But when this guy call me, the code be like, code they tell you, they load the charge card. I just see star 552 77 88 934. The end, they put hash. I say, wait till this. I say, no, I will not pick this call. Many people say, all these Yahoo boys, small money within my account now, if I press pick, the guy called me, I don't pick. He can't send me text message. Baba, pick my call. Now me, Christopher. I say, which number Christopher take call me? He can't call back. They say, all die, and I die, and I pick up. Christopher, where you there? He said, Baba, don't jackpot. I said, which country there? He said, they one country like that. I said, the name of country. He said, that country. I said, In the country, not name. He said, don't forget to. He said, Bema, wait, make it as a friend. He said, come eat your total travel. For the background, he said, come, which country this? Which country this? That country. He said, Republic of Fumbao. I said, where be Republic of Fumbao? He said, no, not carry my second phone. Ask Google. Google, where is Republic of Fumbao? Google reply with your emoji like this. Me call and say, idiot, you will die there. You know, say time not today. Me, ladies and gentlemen, I'm a perfume freak. I love perfume so much. I don't take perfume play. When they talk perfume, all this what they say 100,000, 300, 500. Now they use it. Until they look me and I need to buy a but I get pattern. And they go perfume shop. Where did they sell and that's how I won't buy. And if you see them for Lagos, very humble. Good afternoon, sir. We have nice collections here. You bring. Sir, try this one, you love it. I'll give them. They'll keep her, they'll bring another one. Say, try this one, you love for businessmen. They'll keep her, they'll bring another one. Before you know, I don't use 6. Now after 10 say, if you use expensive perfume, different type of body once, you don't get to smell well again. No? You get to smell like old motor where they don't abandon. So when I don't use it and finish now, I want to run now. They'll say, sir, which one do you want above the one you sample? That's the problem today. That's one person they answer you with. Actually, problem on there. Actually, the one I wanted to buy, you guys don't have it. They say, sir, what's the name of the perfume? I'll say, it's not here. They say, can you tell us the name? I say, it's not here. I'll come find one when they see for perfume history. Do you have Caplikis? Nothing like Caplikis for perfume. Google her. They will come confused. Sorry, we don't have it. They pick other ones that are equally good. Now they will come get power. No, it's Caplikis. Say, try this one. No, it's Caplikis. Now they use system bombing. I lie you. They'll come tired. Give me paper. Can you spell it here? Just in case of next time, I'll write rubbish. I don't run. No. Now Lagos, I do I walk. I come Benin, I do he walk. I come Abuja, I go Abuja, I do I walk. Worry, he walk. Now when I go Aba, people who know, whoever know. Now enter, he said, now I want here. And they look the man. He just bring. He said, now try this one for biggie boys. I give her, he keep him back. He bring another one again. He said, try this one. Before you know, I don't use 6. I want 0.1. He said, now wait. You don't test 5 now. Buy one first. Now I come use that my normal pattern. I said, Baba, Bella said, the one I want to buy, Bella said, you don't get it. I said, ta, who tell you? Call the name. I said, you know they here. He said, nah, call the name. I said, you know they here. Because I don't say there's nothing like Caplikis for perfume. Now I use confidence. I say, okay, you got Caplikis. I shock people. I say, it there. Hey, Buka, what are Caplikis? They bring a boo. I say, Caplikis. I say, Jesus. I want to run now. I want to run. My hand, they do. I don't look the guy. One idea I say I must run. That's what I take. He said, what? I said, I don't understand the Caplikis. He said, why? Now I said, the one why they use it for black pack. But why give me the red pack? I shock people. I say, hey, if I don't talk now, that one a Caplikis is black. It is. Hey, Buka! What that black? Don't bring a move. I say, Caplikis black. I said, Jesus. How I want to run now? One idea going into my head. That idea now to confuse this people, man, scatter head. Now I give her. Don't know, say this one I go scare. I say, take it. He said, what's in that? Fake. He said, ta. Who tell you saying I'm fake? I didn't say fake here. That cause the Caplikis black. Why they use the kiss? No be C, no be K starter. Now C, we come out for her. Boom. But one way give me na K, na starter. He says I don't confuse Igbo man. Igbo man say, hey, if I don't talk now, the one I give na Caplikis English. The one they talk na Caplikis French. He dey. Hey, Buka! What that K French? They bring a move. I say I'm Caplikis French. I say, my hand on the shake. I don't know the two I want to talk. I was so confused. Igbo man saw the confusion in my face. He said, nah. In case they plan to call Caplikwa, it ain't. Now, I say, oh God, I swear, I don't plan to call anything. I window shopping, I can't do it. He said, hey, nah, idiot. He said, I don't know. Even me, I don't get Caplikis. There is nothing like Caplik for perfume. You see that door where your back? I said, he said, I'm a printer office there. Other time they get Caplik in the year, you need a printer for empty packet. Good night, Benin.
Give it up.
Bring it on. Bini Alpha now. Bini Alpha. Happy New Year. Yeah, the title of this show is MC Casino Games of Jokes. A blast from the past. Wow. You know, those days when we were young, they do all those things. We don't know, say we go buy fuel, 650 for 1 liter. We just they play. Baba. I beg casino don't try. I'm gonna clap for casino. I beg. I'm gonna clap for it. Clap for casino. Don't try. But casino is a very wicked person. With the way casino take do billboard for this Benin, casino need to be arrested. Baba see billboard. Now casino they sing this song for. When I look to my left, he's by my side. When I look to my right. Baba, anywhere you go for this Benin, now casino billboard. Up, billboard, down, billboard. Where I take shock, now where Obaseki call speaker. Say, hello, speaker. This boy, is he just doing comedy show or is running for governor? Billboard everywhere. Even politicians don't even see where put billboard. They just make show finish. Papa, they do billboard though. MC billboard.
Number one is a statement maker.
Baba, forget statement though. Benin, Happy New Year. Mona, they calm down this year. Oh. No grief for anybody. Now Ugboro take block since. 5 days with this Sapele Road.
5 days with this Sapele Road.
No grief for anybody. This life, this new year, use your brain, no. Use your brain. No allow anybody pressure you. You don't say for church, nothing pain pass it. After pastor don't preach tough message, you can't feel with the spirit. The next thing pastor can say, I just heard clearly from my right ear. The Lord taught to me that 1 million for 10 persons, just 10 persons. Usher, if they are more than 10, send the last person back. Nothing pain pass it. As people they come and say, you know to get to your last money, you can't still sit down. Because now your last money, you can't hear from pastor. There's a brother over there. Something is telling you to sit down. Don't obey that voice. Come outside. 10 persons only. Nothing pain pass as you go outside. Go join the 10 persons. When I come kneel down, they come pour oil for my head. You can't they go back. You can't hear. Let me give grace for 5,000. Bring it out, DJ. That thing campaign. That's why I tell you this year, calm down. No, they hurry. No, allow any pastor pressure you. Once they call 1 million for 10 persons, no rush. No worry. They go still say anything you have, come outside. You see this year, that place, anything you have, come outside. Now they are just like that. They must get to that. This Nigeria don't too hard though. The way the country they hard now, it shock everybody. Oh. Tinubu is a bad boy. Baba, the way fuel take cost now. When last should they drive, person overtake you? Everybody they drive small. Who drive out? You say they go. You walk in yourself. Nigerians don't get patient. This fuel matter not be here. Before fuel become this expensive in Nigeria, if you want to sleep, you go on gen. Now, if you on gen, you know if you sleep. Your eyes go they open. Which day here, Osaro, my neighbor. Early morning, the guy just they cry. I am finished. Osaro, what happen? Now I say he on gen. Now he sleep off. Now I say, bros, as you sleep off, so at least farm below you. He say no be the farm, be the matter. What happen? He say he on gen. He plug the phone for socket. He no on socket.
I think na statistic we go chop.
Baba, the guy go explain tire. Nigeria, very wicked people. Fear now let this country, Peter Obi. I look at Obi. Nigerians are now wicked though. Peter Obi go court, make he go regain his stolen mandate. He reach court, now they steal the phone. See where Obi they shout, please, if you don't want to return my mandate, please return my SIM, return.
Tell him to go and sit down.
Oh boy, Nigeria too rugged though, but we shall survive. Now, ladies and gentlemen, nothing pain pass say as you dey table, so nothing pain pass say person dash you money in the presence of who you dey owe. And you don't promise and say, once money touch my hand, I go. Now money don't touch your hand, you can't explain. Now, have few time now. See, this year, all the wives here in the house, please, I want to advise you guys. If you are a wife here, take this advice from me. This year, when I forget about side chick, no matter what they do, just forget about them because Side chick, they try you. But you will not know. Side chick, they try you. Let me tell you this thing. Most of the clothes where your husband just go outside, he buy, call for you, they happy, they jump, say for me, I love you. Now, side chick try for Ramo. Say, give your wife, she's size 12. Side chick, they, Baba, I say, well, if you don't stay house, say your husband don't come out for us for money. He complain, say, you don't get money, oh. You just stay house. You just see a lot from your husband, 200K. You go to smile and say, wow, this my husband is the best. Now wait till side chick don't show her. Side chick don't bill him. Now I say, this girl even ask me for 100K. She never born for me. My wife don't born too. Go send you money. Side chick. Don't underestimate the importance of side chick in nation building. Now I make even government get Ministry of Women Affairs for extramarital affairs. Side chick. Ladies and gentlemen, you know how many things men don't buy just to follow up. You know how many things men don't buy where they don't need just to show the girl, say that they support the girl business. But kind of commerce now. It happened to me now. We stay here. One girl, we are just a follow up. Yeah, I go buy a rug. Because the girl, they say rug. Sarah, rug, and beddings. I buy a rug to support the girl. Me, I carry rug, go house. I don't have get rug. Nowhere to put rug for my house. If you come my house now, rug in my compound. Side chick. And all these side chicks, if they won't spoil your home, a small thing, no. If they won't break your home, a small thing, no. They just put your husband's face on top your lap. Hold the pimples. John. So this your wife one time say, you know they see this your pimples. Now let me do this and I go. You know, I got married like 7 months ago. I'm gonna clap for me, I'm a married man. You know? But marriage na scam. When I go do my wife introduction, the uncle come, they ask me, my son, this is our daughter, so if you see her, you go know her. First way, now me come drop for the house in the morning. For my mind, now say, this is our daughter, so for my mind, though, now say, if you see her around 2 a.m., you go know her. Spider woman. Marriage na scam. And they tell everybody, this life, don't pressure yourself. This year, don't pressure yourself. The year, land no cost. Now you won't stay around people. Wait, you don't go price land for bypass. Idobo, 1/8, 850, with 5 palm tree. My guy, they complain with the year, say, oh, January is a month of paying school fees. I'm tired. If you give school fees now 1 million, I look and they laugh. School fees no cost. Now you want me your children no book. Benny time up. God bless you guys. Happy New Year. Enjoy the show. God bless you.
DJ. Give it up for the Stalker!
Money where we got yo, you know go finish your amen. Oh yeah, set the bar, man.
However, they the way, and I dey try for Benin. This time I still there. Of which she ran. As soon as I go, they give people the one go put them for problem. All right. Let me believe that the people that are remaining on this show are 2 sets of people: CEOs and jobless people. All right. See, DJ, they follow you plan. Which I tell you, play different, which you play different. I want to carry you go Lagos. Eh? They not tell you. Where this native doctor? Obaro. Eh? You tell Abi you send her WhatsApp. But I know lawyer. Eh? Oh, you can't tell her now. Oh, you can't tell her now. What's wrong with you? I won't perform. I swear, if I'm not off mic, if I come up for this stage, man, die. Since 12, sit down there. Bojent, how are you? How are you? Let's start the show now. Wait, the time never started. Who would put time? I beg. DJ, they don't tell you I be? Good. Who they introduce people? Oh yeah, who they control the time? Oh yeah. Restart the time and introduce me again. I get plan for this show. Action.
All right. Benin City, are you ready to receive this man? Very funny, effortlessly spontaneous. Benin City, back to back, he has won King of Comedy. He has won the most respected awards when it comes to the comedy industry. He's funny. Benin City, make some noise. Make some noise as I bring on stage the author of Nigerian comedy, the one they call Des Talker.
When I know the feel for New Year, I they play me worldly song. Thank you. Why you not play this one before? Have you big babe? No, there's anything. All right, my name is Des Talker. Hey, start the time now. You see, they see something. I'm doing 2 hours. 2 hours. I tell, what be that name? That guy name. That my guy, Face Alone, Flector Man, and Terry G. I tell Terry G is coming up 10:15 a.m. I tell her, say me no worry soon, I no get work.
Where them day?
Tata! That is you try. You are a big man, you try. First of all, I want to apologize for not showing up for a Dope Pickens show. Alright? No, so I fuck up. If you hear the story, I don't fuck up. They hear me? Please. The show when they pay me, why I go? If they pay a Dope Pickens, I swear for not see him. When he called me the next day, I could explain to her. When I tell her who called me and how much they pay me, he said, why I not put her for the bill?
Now money is stop nonsense.
I will call a press for flight and transport when they give me. All right, please, I want to say this. So I'm doing 2 performances. A Dope Pickens on. Hello, I would good. Because I yet to verse. So I go do a Dope Pickens performance 30 minutes. Then I'll go do the current situation. 2 hours. That is 2 hours, 30 minutes. Now, before I start, casino. Which hotel you lodge me? What are they fuck for Benin? No joke. Tares, I don't know the 108. That person they fuck. I did my room until the year ta. I don't know where prick enter or the get chat. Now, not be that one pay me. Address like this, they come outside. Receptionist got they ask me, which of your friend blood dog? Eh? Let's start properly. If you are meeting me for the first time, my names are Ogene Kokoyan, Ogene Bruriel, 09B Desmond. They call me the comedy catalyst, the total one of Nigerian comedy. You know me the one of Adeshokwe Kingdom. The other Ben Koyesi one of Nigerian comedy. Do you know me one? Ego na Kpomu one. Award-winning comedian back to back. In fact, we are still counting. By bet I be comedian and I funny. DJ wait. Don't let anybody put you for pressure. My class prefect, sir, my class prefect, when we did school, he did write my name for list of noisemaker. He don't know say I was in a process. He don't know. He write my name for list of noisemaker. Even the day when I not come school, he write my name. I say why? He say no, say we are there. Now, nah, hype man. Person want to write list of noisemaker when we young. Nah, hype man old age. They shout, somebody make some noise. The guy see me for Ajao and say, I know I for follow you that time. Oh, see now you now the hype. Oh, I say now so like be. You know, say now who they get police case, they know where they renovate police station. Listen to me. This year, if you no work, you go beg. This year. Now today I say for Bible. 2 Thessalonians 3:10. Can we read Bible? Read Bible apart from bluffing. What to do with your phone? Open Bible. Let's open your Bible now. Leave transfer. No worry. We know how to do our own. P clothing. Where you there? P. Oh wow, I see madam. Congrats. Someone bring madam come out. They don't catch you. As soon as they do, when they don't catch now, they do romantic. If you just enter my house, they watch play. No say why don't read the phone. Madam na joko, even though you cash her na joko. 2 Thessalonians 3:10. For even when we were with you, we gave you this command. Anyone unwilling to work should not eat. In the Bible, you no want work, you no go eat. It's scriptural. See, just follow up now. 2 Thessalonians 3:10. And I want to tell you this. You cannot love luxury and you love sleep. Am I communicating? Commentators have been performing. The Lord says, speak to my children. You cannot love luxury and love sleep. Did you know they work together? It's scriptural. It says a little sleep, a little slumber, a little folding of the head. So shall we? You know, say fly, you say creep. You just wake up 40, you stay with person. You want learn and shower walk, and you say if you dey sleep, me they not wake you. You see, if I dey see them, I want to do a shower walk. Federal government approved. As I was supposed to wake up 5:40, because they look till 6:15. Now I may ask, no. Anybody when first I shall wake up, now if they are shower. Because I will go wake you up. Say, they don't break. You know, say when you lodge alone for a hotel, only you, they know they quick break. You sleep. Open eye, 10 minutes. But don't carry a shower. 2 seconds, they don't break. Because when you release, you realize. Yes, I don't need to talk to your ministry.
I don't go love a shower. I don't go love a shower.
Big clothing, I don't know, say success, they bring enemy. Small success when I just achieve. Now I won't get call me, say my daughter is 9 years. Nine years? How? I can't think back when 9 years ago, they stay with who they stay with person. Now rich people, they do DNA. Now rich, no joke, now rich people. I can't want form big boy based on say I be make Tunde no go post the case. Now I tell the guy, say let's do DNA. But I drive from Lekki go Ikeja go do DNA. As I reach, I see one man with 4 children. The man they shout, for what? Am I selling them? Come. Now I carry the 4 children. Let's go. They go. Now they say, you, me and 9 years old girl. Say me. As me and the girl reach there. They tell what I want to do, I say DNA. They say which type? I don't know say type there. I say who born am? Now they say paternity. I say good. Now the girl press laptop. Now tell me say 9 years old, small 9 years old girl to do DNA. Say na 780,000. You know, so as I hear the price, we resemble.
Nobody will not fit to make a move.
Now I look the girl. I say, Lulu. He said, Daddy. I said, let's go. Now the woman said, sir, are you not doing it again? I said, no, you see our eye. I just threw 2 steps. Now my daughter said, Daddy, I think, you funny, Dad.
Daddy, where the pamper, daddy, where the play.
Anyway, listen to me. If you are with your woman, learn to take all these women out. It is sweet them. Take them out for no reason. Nobody they catch you. Yes. Okay, they lie. Take them out. You get the feelings when women they get when you just take them out. Buy things for no reason. Do shopping. As I just come Benin, I come Benin yesterday. Now one guy tell me say, I'm your fan. I came from Italy. I know you will be in Casino Show. I said I'm already in Benin. He said I want to take you out. Man. Now I call Edo Piki. I saw they take people out here. He said when they want to take you out, I say he won't take me for shopping. I follow. Edo Piki say follow and clear conscience. That's okay. I reach there, the guy they buy me. But the way he chop me now, the guy they pick expensive clothes. Go pick this one. Say take. This one. Take. Take. The guy where the guy pick just give me rich. I don't know. Give him the brief feeling. To God who made me. I don't know where gay spirit pass. The guy just hold 2 bags. I won't carry say no, let me carry it. As the guy just stand up, they go. I just stand up. I just started they follow. Children of God, listen to Jesus. Police don't any married woman here when they don't cash for a shower quarter before. Listen to me. A shower quarter be like secret court. If they cash you, you must call who they go. No joke. But listen to me. I want to be a rich man. Therese, I want to be a rich man. Ask me why. Rich, they don't struggle. Rich, not they stress themselves. Rich, not they talk too much. I finish up for a coat and one rich man said, I didn't restroom. One rich man just waka come meet me. He took to me. I just hear, that was a wonderful performance. Thank you, sir. So as they talk, the man they talk, we they think our voice they go. After 2 minutes, we know they hear each other. The man do. I reply. He get what we told him. The man say, let's come back to normal. I say, you be idiot. But the thing is this, sir. Which video or pictures? When they try you, especially the one when they add Therese. Wow. How many? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therese. Now I want to drop the mic and say the joke on SMS.
Money where we get, yo, you know go finish, yo. Amen.
Oh Oh, wow. Tare, $100. Wait, man, cover with an original. He rise.
I beg you to help me. I still need help. You there, yeah?
Oh, yeah, take one. A closed match is a closed destiny. If you no talk, you for die here. Tades, as you help me, I help the less privileged. Oh. There's nothing about poor men. Rich men don't struggle. You know, say, now rich man go there with woman. Not be every rich man carry girl to sleep with them. Oh. We rich men, not be every girl will they sleep with. I fuck up. I for not say we. I fuck up. Now don't catch me. Sir? Rich men, now they go so. Rich men, they don't stress. For example, rich man video like that, my flight is 8:10, Arik, to Lagos. Man, no go sleep. I video carry one small girl here. Because they will wake you 5:15. Oh, this joke is for the rich men. Hello, rich man. Good. Now, you can't go just wake up 6:15. You just wake up. You don't dress. You don't go. Sometimes, though, in case you won't just do, they know the church they say, rich man, you just touch your nipple, this left side. It don't come. The guy say, I'm not okay. Use cucumber. Every spirit of poverty, Holy Ghost, poor people, poor man, they follow shower, they argue. Now 3 times be daybreak. Now 3 times be daybreak. I said now 3 times. You go call the former poor man. You know, anytime they fall, I shower daybreak. That one will say 4 times. If you get like you, 3 times. Every spirit of poverty, Holy Ghost. I want to do this. The artists that are backstage too many. I tell Casino. I said the content for the show too much. See artists now. Sumoti for breed the green. I like. Boy, try. Please a round of applause for Casino. Yeah. I want no. It's not easy. Now I want to do the last one. I told them that I was not going to take too much of your time. I hope I don't try now, all right? Yeah, I'm not here to prove a point. No? Who said no really? Oh, wow. See this one there. You don't know how they take by the table. They call and Cynthia, you get where they go on the first? Say no.
Hey, no guys, again.
Wait. One of my idiot friends, he dey hear Go TV. He say if he buy the Go TV, they come with TV. Now I go buy am. Because they answer the TV. They say no, now Go TV. Man, keep am. Jesus. I like the way you throw your own, you know, scatter out. I go Zoro. They told me money when I see. So 700,000. Who pick am? Go give me 80 in the morning. Now I say, Baba no verse. Now everything be this. Now I say, I know say you no go believe me. I say, Baba, I no believe you. Now the money be the nice say, now so money they be. Who they spray they just say many. Now true Abi? No matter who pick your money, you must suspect her. What is shocked me, now the guy tell me, I said, I got me that 80,000. I see one guy throw 100,000 3 times. Now the guy tell me, say, Baba, everything when I pick now 60. Now me put 20 me for B. No, but beneath, you guys are wonderful. Now I want to do this and round off. Trust me, if you buy fake shoe, not stand too much. You dey run. You can only run. One of my guy go buy shoe, Gucci. Buy am night. Although when they use candle sell. In the morning, you can see a Gucci. You know, I did the shoe go by, they complain. And the boy say, how did you know it's fake? He said, I was talking with my friend. Say, you stand. No, nah. You dey wrong. Not be that one pay me. Not be, I want to advise you before I drop the mic. Not be everything that they buy for traffic. How you go buy dog for traffic? Dog. When you don't know the history. My friend buy dog. He did big clothing. He get 8 dog. The last dog, now, traffic buyer in Tabua roundabout for Asaba. 2 years now, dog never back. We return we carry the dog go vet. The cost say the dog na deaf and dumb. Sir, my guy buy gold. How you go buy gold for traffic? Gold. Let's not say 82 karat. You don't hear that before? Those people when they sell for traffic, they get wisdom. As the light they show yellow, they call it. You're not going to price. Not going to drag the price. Now the light in the look. As the they show green, it's all got bring money. You know if you know again, you don't move. As they go now from side mirror, now the guy they tell her, no, we are not when they fall. The guy they answer for his side mirror. Why? He gets thunder strike. Listen to me. Life is beautiful when you hold, not when you hold people. Because who the old landlord has the far for his eye. Because after we did GRA for Benin, we'll sleep your side, though. Now my side far. Every spirit of poverty, the Holy Ghost. All right, I'm leaving right now. Both joint. You got transport for this show? Yeah, take. Yeah, we rise by lifting others. You, come pick this one, eat. You wear burial cloth, come person show burial cloth. Yeah? I'm joking, no. Now so I go Yabam Robao for Asaba. The guy do me like this. You will hear from we. Show finish. I want to enter my car. Now I want to hold my hand, join my door. Now I say, were you the comedian inside? I say, yeah. Say, we are the comedian outside. Been a good night.
The unbeatable, the statement maker, number 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, a man that needs no introduction. Give it up for the Yogak Batak Bata of Demo. Make some noise for MC Edo Piki.
I'll put you in front of my melody. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. I'll make room for 2. You and I, Jesus. You are all.
Ladies and gentlemen, happy birthday to me.
You are all that matters.
A great man was born today. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Deputy Governor. I love you. Please, you can see it. Thank you for that song, DJ. If I don't play that song, I'll put you in front. I'll make room for 2 because all the rooms in Benin are fully booked. Now, because of Benin boys, they born juice of already the real sheep. Joseph, find room for Mary, you know, see. Benin boys don't book them. Now, do sex for this state. Any small way they just add day, join. Christmas Day. Democracy Day, fully booked. They book all the room for a hotel. I go out there, they book all the room. I weak. I sit down for the hotel reception where I think. They say, I stand up. I say, why? They say, no room for weakness. Book all the rooms. Sex. Do you know that in this Christmas, as we speak, condom, sell pass knockout. What they do knockout, no make money. No condom to buy, no soap. No Gary go use soap. One of my guys, no joy soap, no joy. Now finish all the joy soap with this life. Why just still use another soap, use lost, they cheat on joy. Guys lost. This life no grip for anybody. Oh, how you doing? Well done. Clap for yourself. You have done well. No grip for anybody for this life. No grip. No everybody they help. Oh. As I speak to you now, NTA they advertise DSTV.
But today, DSTV go point here for channel 419. Regard that. No grief. No, hold on. No grief for anybody. This Christmas, every year hard. Not be yesterday I see go to the chop, go to meet. Every year hard. Nobody see money to buy anything for this Christmas. Nobody see money. Nobody will see money to buy chicken. Even one of my guys will be referee. You know, see foul. Bring other. See, can see another brother. Now, show you don't say as the work be. Send me money, send me money. Now, once your throat dry. Now, no one let casino rest. Oh, you can't perform now. All dry. Just the Lagos casino send me money. Casino say, oh, yeah, come. This is by fake chain. Shut up there. Yes, don't any joke I just play that. I just want you to see casino. Don't turn this thing to blue film. These are the casino get sense. Very stupid boy. Say a blast from the past. Money no day. Go gather artists, give them 445 with 233. Tarek, God will bless you. Thank you for supporting entertainment. Thank you for all you do. Please put your hands together for Tarek. They blast from the past. Then I go there, I came on stage, they talk about sex. They say the guys go, they do Not because they never carry ubi okoge. Carry ubi okoge, I may change to. As they do because I say sing for me, sing for me. Oh, Dana, you don't carry. Go a sako, man, you go carry girl. Go a sako. Ouchie get that they get the best soundtrack, but it be like better song. As they not get by, go get more to them.
You fuck me too hard.
Shut up there. Anytime when the show they will wake up out. Today's my birthday. I want you to do 5 minutes. Make I get out. I go reply message. See the time when I take call me. Everybody don't tell. Every photographer thought the video photographer. Call me by this time. See me now, birthday boy. Just day. Everybody talk about men and this. Okay, listen to me, oh. Men are going through a lot. And through casino, they talk. Oh, this way they call marriage. See, casino wife sit down for dinner now. Will they perform the tear show? Tomorrow they go ask us for money. With the men are going through a lot. Marriage is not easy. That's why some people know they survive marriage. If marriage easy, our Israel for see promised land. Victoria Inn. I see. No, I tell you your job. Now they call the video Maoga. You get big Oga. If your Oga small, madam was wrong. You get big Oga. Travis say Maoga. Sex! Your permanent responsibility is marriage. Now 2 things. Sex and money. Very simple. Before I got married, and before I married, so I drink alcohol before. Not when I'm married, I start alcohol. Not marry her. I want meet up. Now my wife forgot to follow get my play. Once your wife don't they call get my bet name, you are going sort of Adamu, you go here, Adams. You are going, I want meet up. Me. Now when I'm married, now I test one thing. Coke and Remy. When I met my wife, I left her remnant. When I follow up, you know, get the kind of sleep when you sleep with your wife, you'll be like, say you commit adultery. Left her, marriage. You must take your stand to take follow up. Man, we are trying to. We are trying. That's why these days now, women are surviving. Men are dying. Because you know lie. They are taking all we have in this Nigeria. We have about 200 million grandmothers, 50 grandfathers. The grandmothers are going to Omugo. They are taking the grandfathers to the morgue. Teres, listen to me. I must talk a joke that will sink into your head. We are dying. That's why you must value yourself as a man. Enjoy your life. Women go just they want everything, feast with them, feast everything. They enjoy their life. Me, my brother, anything we consider enjoyment this year. This year is my year of divine enjoyment. If you do with me, say eyes. The eyes have it. Hold on. Allow me to enjoy my life. My year of divine enjoyment. Deputy, not be all the church that they go for all night. Oh. Crossover night. Now I go mountain on fire. If you hear prayer point, I never heard that kind of prayer point for my life before. Now I'm mountain on fire. Are you talking? Are you drunk? Mountain on fire. Then pastor said, use this last 5 minutes. Time was to 12. Now I said, use this last 5 minutes to pray for your life so that your life will be better in 2024. One guy just put his phone for chair, just hold the chair. Spotty bed, let me go. 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 Too short on, let me go. Too short on, let me go. Now one cut out, let me go. Now one cut out, let me go. Man, you leave me. 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 Una the cloud now. As the guy they pray, people come they face the guy. Assistant pastor they look the guy. You know say get when you pray rich, eh? Assistant pastor one call kill the demon. Assistant pastor call they near the guy. Man, you leave me. Spotty bed, let me go. Too short. Assistant pastor they near the guy. Assistant pastor they near the guy. Small time, this assistant pastor one point for his forehead. Now I just rest his hand for his shoulder. He says, Father, I connect my spirit with the spirit of my senior colleague. Spotty bed, let us go. They come here, Papa. My brother, that's how it be. Anything you do, you know, say that same church. Pastor talk say, everybody in this church, since it is crossover, come with anything that leads you to your source of income. Now, Pastor say, now that we have prayed, raise everything that leads you to your source of income. Now, everybody, Yahoo boys raise laptop, politicians carry ballot balls where they take the wrong. Everybody carry their things, where they carry how your court is all gone. Everybody hold their source of income. One runs guess what they did? They put for Bekus. Now, Pastor shout, now that you have touched your source of income, if I be a man of God, before 2024, God will expand your source of income. Runs get no great shout amen.
Jennifer.
Madam, no great shout amen. Not this year. This year, no great for anybody. No grill. Now this year, CCPC 1K ram. The ram, they point foul. No grief for anybody. The year died. No money anywhere. And you know, say, why would they die? Eh? Some men, we do they give ourselves up for women. You carry woman go come. And go say, baby. All I want from you now is head. Give me head. Mumu man. And you know, say, now they wear condom for tongue. You give the woman head, give her head. When it don't reach time for you, the woman 12 now to sleep now, the woman will say, maybe you can't wear condom. What do you want to avoid? If first when you don't drink for 8,000 liters. Hold on. Now you the run for. And what did they make us quick die? Women are very wise. Women, they go not say, man, I want to sleep with them. Oh. They will rub makeup, rub everything. Their neck go full with makeup. They will come visit you. You when you be man, when you know say they don't rub everywhere. Wait, tell us say I'll go and bathe before we sleep. Because of the way you take stay hungry, you use your tongue, take leak everywhere. And you know say that way made they rub for eye. Now that black way they center of battery. Tony Kabaka, God bless you. You came to my show. You shut down the show. Wanna clap for her? You shut down. Clap for yourself, Tony Kabaka. You have done well. The only problem I get with you is say everything what you do now weapon. The money where you spray me still enjoy me. You weaponize everything. Let me get back. That thing where they set out that thing where they in the middle. Now we may drop for eye. Man go, woman go, conquer. You don't use your tongue. Leak everywhere. Leak all the makeup. Leak. That's why some men when they believe they fight that this is Nigeria, now foundation things I say. You are dying slowly. You are killing yourself. Me as a sharp guy, if woman come visit me, as the woman they come and see rub makeup, yeah for the buy condom, now for the buy face wipe. So as she come, I go first wipe before I wipe. Spider-Man. Bring her down. Jesse Root. Now they cause all this problem for Bini. everything a root. Benin boys know they use that to see dirty water with there's life firewood put. As you hold on like this, did they walk? Just tell Benin boys say bottle water and stone, they walk. You'll find bottle water for this Benin, no see again. Stone no go there this Benin again. Now just value sex, take sex to another level. Now one of my idiot guy, once I hold any dirty thing like this, don't collect that from my idiot. One day now go first erosion. Slice for your wood put. The idiot hold on, carry the thing. After I don't drink and they tell me say, Baba, this thing they walk. 3 days I never stick on. The mumu no say na sand block us. This hold on, huh? Hold on. This life, hold on. This life make money. You know, say one of my friend, listen to Brother Michael, one of my friend, he want to go do marriage for Ogeli. Now Uber driver. Oh, Infinity, God bless you. Uber driver. His father, now the president of Uber drivers. So two of them they go traditional marriage. As they go, all the Uber drivers follow them. So as they go, now about 40 cars, 25 Corolla, 15 2.2. The guy reached Ologo. He turned back. He not say any motor again. He ex-girlfriend don't book all the Uber driver. Say may they go Ologo, may they go Ekewa, may they just turn around for 4 hours. Till the guy went to finish. No, that is why you need to make, because money stop embarrassment. If you get money, you give girl belle. If you get money, you give girl belle. Now the guy go call you say, hello, wisdom. I'm pregnant for you. Now you're going to say, it's not my baby. Say, wisdom, it's your baby. You're going to say, it's not my baby, wisdom, it's your baby. But may you broke, may you give girl belle. As you give the girl belle, you go, hello? Osa, you have ruined my life. You have useless my life. Yes, now. Money stop nonsense. That is why in this life, life now, brain. You know that they talk about deputy governor just now. I don't get problem. The only thing I have here to say is that as far as Nigerian constitution is concerned, you have the right to vote and be voted for. That's the only thing I have to say. Please put your hands together for my deputy governor. You have been supporting entertainment. God bless you. Tares, Victoria Inn from day one. You people have been supporting entertainment. So anybody will show, even Eliza drink, anybody will show us love, we must do well to reciprocate, which is very, very important. See, Suleiman, the news guy. You don't carry news tire for Nigeria. You don't even tire. You do our comedy show now, they wash us to create more news. News too full this country. Newscaster don't tell amount they pay them. News day everywhere. Nigeria, anything you want to do, Mago must day. Even to normal beauty queen, Mago day. You need to suck the cap to wear the crown. He said, DJ raise down. DJ, you can't raise down. Which kind of DJ be this? Raise down. Which kind of DJ be this? Now this kind of DJ I can't go orphanage where go play. Go they play where your mama dey, where your papa dey. Children they crack. Where our real mama? Where our real papa? Now so I carry one idiot DJ go burial. May go play for burial. He reach the time of the woman where their children to dance. DJ they play as they paying them. He go they sweet us as they sweet us. I carry DJ go wedding. Doesn't make the bride dance with her friends. DJ they play. All of us will be our shower. Please put your hands together for the DJ. Not clap for him. No, the guy trying to beg. Oh, yeah, clap for him. But it don't work for this. Nobody plan what they do. This guy left Unibel with 2 hands. Today they do DJ with 2 hands. Clap. So now clap for him. Nobody think the guy plan with this. You don't understand? So now go appreciate the guy. Meanwhile, okay, time to come out. Nice one. Oh, yeah, stand up. Idiot. Just come your weird danger. I don't know, just they wear eyeglass. Tomorrow night they shoot you. I know that court don't convert beret to eyeglass. I saw the key one for that Christmas. Say we are red, the filmment of the air curtis. Let me do this and I go. They say DJ Dabila and a voltage of 5 they call. Now hype men they put us for the problem all day. But Benin boys are too smart. Benin boys these days they don't fall for any hype man for this Christmas. This Christmas Benin boys hold their side. Now before they will hear Dorime, they will cut down go buy drink. Benin boys don't know yo. If this Christmas you play Dorime, the Benin boys will say Eire. Oh no, they don't go anywhere. Sir Greg, you know any trick, original trick owner say, Mission Road must do their own. You get one trick where they call Casamigo. Casamigo. You know now, original trick. For Mission Road, it did. We no go. It did Mission Road now. So all these hype men don't fall everywhere. So Benin boys now, as they call club, they'll put a microphone for back pocket. They prepare for any hype man where one fuck them. As hype man, they hype them, then they hype the hype man. Yes, now, because nobody go spend money. Now those days, now Juju they work. Everybody travel go village for this Christmas. Juju know they work again. Now those days where they give Juju shinap. That was Juju we are harsh. The drink is harsh. Now those days Juju they work. Even you those days, if you drink shinap, to keep us know they hungry. One of my neighbor buy motor. Now he go this Christmas in the rich village, he buy motor. Go show your uncle motor. Your uncle sit down with his son. Now say see motor way buy best. Now give your uncle an SC. As they go, the uncle and his son plan. Make they kill the boy. Uncle, you know see Shinap, he give Juju an SC. Juju take an SC. Juju was drunk. It's a way Juju go kill the boy. He kill the man picking. In the morning, anybody Juju kill for the family that they know him. In the morning, the uncle vet go Shirai. Go they complain for Juju. Before I reach Shirai, Juju don't get hangover. I don't vomit everywhere. Now the uncle they shout, oh Gugu. Oh Gugu. Instead of you to kill that boy, you killed my son. What have I done wrong? I Juju laugh. You wicked servant. You give me alcohol, you don't give me a shower.
How be Juju be that?
I think I have to do this over and come on, no time at all. Anytime the show day, we must wake up mouth. You don't get her. ITV, independent television. The best way they read on our news. Yeah, for the download too. Why they know they change her? Madam Asubeme, who was lying state in dead on Monday in front of his house, was ascertained to be dead. One eyewitness that was there, who now complained that Asubeme is dead, well now laying, why not they go like this? There. For once you don't try. No, I'm not gonna let boys beat you. Boys they vest now. Other state they do firework, Benin and fire for fire. Now do this last one, I come out. Benin boys don't ready now. Back to back. Everybody in a hype man for Benin. You hype me. You cannot make me do any rubbish. You get that hype beat. Plan. Go say look, go everywhere. As they have. Benin boys now they talk normal talk. Now hype that they talk now hype. No, normal hyping beat now. I will beat you. Happy beat. Normal this thing now. Yo, normal Benin boy now. Now hype that they talk. As they want to tell you good money, go yeah. Good money. Who that they greet go reply? How you day? Who they walk out past go call enter? We day. All do my buy something. Once they give me change, now yeah. Yeah, give me the change now. Oh, yeah, give me the change now. Conductor the load Uwelu Wasota. Nobody the answer. Now enter hype. Uwe Luma. Good night, Benin City. I love you. Thank you. My name is standupcomedy.
Okay. Ladies and
oh no. Loving you, girl.
Okay, no, worry. Not be music. We'll sing here. I so much love Benin people. This city is a city whereby, in fact, put your hands up for our women, please. We have beautiful women in this city. If you drive the car like this, from Lagos, you head for Benin. Maybe you want to go Nisha, you first rest for Benin first. Are they like? Weekend like this, hotel don't full. All the Benin hotel, if you got those big hotel, if you go in the night, as you go now, you lodge. If you lodge, just you walk out for the corridor, you hear different noise. I swear, you know, say if you not carry girl, maybe you call your girl, call no girl, happy. Then you go walk around and shower yourself there. Your own, your 1 year sound before you go sleep. You know, check. They do here. You can that's a year was strong. Some people don't know say that they watch the hotel, they get CCTV. They'll call me to say, please, do you have room here? You say, why? I have now. Come. You don't date person, don't be like this. They call, wait, I call, somebody come. Do you have room here? Why? I have now. Yeah, it's my friend room. Now lie you. Now noisy, they listen. He gets one hotel we lodge. One man tied away. The other room, some boys are just wicked. When they don't say you know carry girl, they'll take noise. You know, can't they comfortable? You never see where you know they're comfortable to sleep. You do your bed, your brain just stand like that. Now you they say, what is all this? Somebody cannot just rest in this hotel. You hear? Oh God. You can't call the reception now. Hello? Please help me to call 102. And we cannot sleep here. Now lie you, now noise. You get one thing when I talk that time. You see, we men, if you tell girls say that where was pastor Binodo Sakmomba, say upper, so street, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, they rape girls, no girls go past there. Now they're going to tell each other they rape there 8 o'clock, but just tell we men, say 8 o'clock, women, girls they rape men there. Now men they say, come, you sure? Men, woman they rape man say, are you sure? Before 7:30, the street don't full. You see people they work out. Hello? Why? Which time you talk before? I don't see any girl here where they rape. No, I don't enter darkness. Nobody rape me. They all look, men. Now, wow. If woman come, if you want to enjoy dating of girl, date an old girl, you enjoy your relationship. Once a girl don't reach 38, 40, you don't enjoy the relationship. Even a friend tell him, say, I saw your boyfriend, and she go say, I beg. Regina, I beg. I take God beg you, I beg. As this one feels stay, so I beg you. Regina, I beg you. I beg. Leave her for me, I beg. You know say, if they date old girl, you make a chakra for them. You know. You say, look, no, let me face you. No, come, follow me. But if you date small girls, all those 20, if they deal with you, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, if they deal with you, because they are still sharp. Now those ones there, those girls, they hear me. Now they look you. Then they feel you are their papa fee behave you. But they want to talk to you. They'll say, come. Osam, come. And you see, men, if man don't see young blood, they act like mumu. When they get to say, come, you say, oh. Because the whole brain of that man, I hear it. So if he gets it, listen, you know what? You transfer 100,000. Like say you be POS. You transfer 100,000, give me, yeah? Then me and my friend, then they got young boyfriend. You know? You they date small girl. You know, can't get strength, you die you. Because you go say, please, I need another round. You go say, oh God, you know I'm getting old. You are getting old and you go meet small girl. All these small girls, they can control any man. They control shift. Girl, when you control one Ojawari carrier, Ojawari carrier go drop for hotel. Only Ojawari go stay hotel, they wait. Ojawari call they drink and they sing mixed with power hawks. And you know say, if young girl they come into for hotel, you know they're friendly with everybody. How are you? That's why Ojawari is true. How are you? At that time, the girl number they go. When they go call the girl will say, yes, I'm just doing my nails. Good. Take your time. Good like this. Come. You walk here? Take. Oh, don't worry. Don't die. Oh, no problem. Around 8:30 to 9. The girl number not come today. Because that's a network. And you know when you don't mix anything. Not drink that drink. Oh. Once you mix anything with powerhouse, you are gone. If the girl not come. That time, I just already not tight away now. This one don't laugh. Nearly come. Somebody defend you. I just already not tight away. Action. Then he can go buy Oga Abeg. Hey. Take mixer. Ole go come say, today now time. 10 o'clock, the girl phone off. That time now like, hello. Why this network not there yet? Hello. To 11. The girl phone the ring. Hello, where are you? What show? The girl can slow her voice. Hello, I don't know. I've been trying to call my cab. Please, do, please do. That time you call the beg like food, do. Okay, I'll call you back. I just will not call the drink and the scene again much. Meanwhile, I don't have family. AC day on in the sweat. He call, the number off. He call again, the girl number call ring. Watch waiting those small girls. The girl gonna say, hello. Please, I don't know if I can see you tomorrow. Hey, no, come on. Don't do that. See who, when you don't drink and you see mixed with, he said, don't do that. Come on. I don't know. Can you trek? You know, say when man don't confuse, they forget say where you there far. When you don't tell us, say there's no cab, no please trek for me, please. When the guy not come finally, go come here in trouser, wear a shirt, wash. Now the reception night they go down there. As you reach there, go see the girls there. They won't try to be friendly with them now. Because that's why we call them knock, Abi. Now you call they ask them, how are you? Pretty girls. You sleep here? So what kind of go? Where you want carry them go? They ask you sleep here. So you also, you're so pretty. You sleep here? Yeah. Men. I they talk about men today. So look, the worst picking to first born now boys. So once you born boy, your wife don't get two boyfriend. Then they suck. They go suck. You know, so your wife now your girlfriend for you marry her. And once boys they suck, then they carry one leg up, you know. Then you won't try to suck the other one. I'll be like, you got it. No, it's not a problem. Boys, children, they are very, very wicked. In fact, men to men. Come on, I beg. You know, say this, I want, man, you talk this, make her they go. This our new international passport now, please. Please. You know, say our NI the day to Abi. The new one, NIN the day now. If you know, say you the open pay. Or carbon, I go pay you. Because you know why? You don't struggle money. Reach international airport. You dey see UK or you dey see America. You know if you enter, you know say when they swipe them, you go show scam. You go show pam pay, and at 4,000 you go pam pay.
I know that she for
Okay, thank you very much. I love you.
But I check on me. If I just want to go long finish. I know that she for
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, with Jesus' joy in my heart, join me as to make welcome a veteran in the stand-up comedy business, a gladiator in the entertainment industry. When he sneezes, the entire comedy industry catches cold. Benin City, help me make some noise for comedian I Go Die!
All right, well it. Area. 30 years standing, cracking jokes. I have to thank you all for standing by me. My mother, now from Edo State, I have to say that today, from Eweka precisely. That is why in my family we greet Lamugo. But my papa na Delta. And Benin, I see her like one of the most peaceful place in the Niger Delta. Yes, not they say, hey, you never waka. Then casino, when they talk about 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. And they talk am before. I said, no, they like kill myself. Either you come or you go. Then I don't know if I get problem. Casino, not take your problem force on people. If you know you are a 2 minutes man, keep it to yourself. Leave other people to do 5 hours. Have you find out? Check American girl. If you are here, you never touch American woman before, please do. But the best that we advise you is India. Women learn. Sometimes men spend 2 hours, 1 hour on your top. Why? You don't give us good sound track. Sound track. The beauty of love making is the sound. When you touch American woman, you go hear the voice. When I travel to America, Your Excellency, Oyibo woman almost kill me. When you hear the voice, oh my God, are you sure you're from Africa? And they tell her, from Africa. Worry precisely. He said, continue. When they fire, they hear voice. They look at your eyes. That is called love making. Then they look your eyes. Then they kiss you. They are in control. Then they tell you, oh baby, come on. Help me, how come on, touch it? Then they force you. They talk to you. Come on, baby, hit me up. Now that control, now they move you. Hit me up, pull me up, take me up, power, hit me up. Now start they carry, pull me down. Oh my, squeeze my breast. Oh my ear, oh my ear. Come on, you good. Now one word when the woman they talk, they want to keep it through it. Come on, you go call me African lion. Continue. Hey! When I hear so you both they call me African lion, I said today, now you go die put. Because I knew I was representing the whole of Africa. And anything that will make me fail, Africa don't fail. When she shout, African lion continue. Yeah. Now so I lift and warrior. Now put her journal again. African lion, tiger, move it. But you hear sound, you hear control. That is love making. Even when they are kissing you, you they see their eyes, they move, they look at you. You know, say do something. Try India. Only their soundtrack, Your Excellency, you don't need to spend 2 minutes. 45 seconds, you don't come. When you hear India, Montapata too. When they see your road, go, Untaya. Once they hit you, they hear that, Unai, can't you go, Chai, That is India. African women, especially the Nigerian women, please work on yourself. Work on your soundtrack. Since 1960, Nigeria gained independence. You've not freed yourself from mental slavery. One sound, over 50-something years. That sound alone can turn you off. Give us good soundtrack. Baby, hit me, touch me, kiss me. Oh my God, you are there, deeper, faster, move it. That sound you don't come. Wait till they do now. One sound since 1960. No love for now they do. Work on yourself. You go hammer Nigeria woman, boom. You go lay your one on sand. You go again. You go back, run later. You go there, hammer. Hammer. You go banner. You go down. You go sit down. You go roll your waist. Then you go call. You go roll the waist. You think go call the enter their head. You think say she want change. You call here. They go brush, come back. You go eat her. The worst one be say, as you ever they do that, say it go good. Now this one where they talk like they would invest me. You get go hit her rich. When they do she go call look you. You never still come. Work on your soundtrack. Thank God, election is coming up in Benin by December. Obaseki dey here. Shaibu dey here. Where Shaibu? Where for front? Your Excellency, I greet you. Sorry, I beg you for close your ears at the crack joke. You know that's how they do. Now what to tell the shop be this? So I loved him so much. Now man, when they stand for waiting believe. You know my problem with you? Area, you talk, you not talk. Let me talk. Now lie now before. Your Excellency, now the time when money not there, now they shout, you talk, you die. You not talk, you die. Let me talk and die. Your Excellency, that time you see me 27 years ago, you go no say true, I really want die. Now, I know they talk like that again, no. Now, I talk, I live. I not talk, I live. Let me talk, come talk and die. Your Excellency, election is coming up. I will advise you. The way you they go. And they see you know why? My uncle joined party during the time of NROC and SDP. Now, that time they shout, go and contest, go and contest, go and contest. Nigeria, they go hear you. Can't leave you. Then SDP, now the PDP of now. NROC, not the APC of now. My uncle not join those two. He go join QQ. When did this start? I know the Greek gun poster. I don't already know where the result they go. During the time of NROC or SDP, if they call result, you know my uncle for contest, Delta State. The population of Delta State is not more than 7 million. But when they read result in the morning, NROC, I stand near my uncle. 10 million 555,200. If I shot Ibabu. SDP 25 million. Now my uncle asked me, say Ganevere, I say sir. Now Nigeria election I do. When they won't come, my uncle resort, now 2 times they are shatter. QQP. QQP. 22. Your Excellency, my uncle, now they faint. When I go greet my uncle for hospital, where Ghana must go? Ghana must go. I beg come. I want to speak to Robo. Make Ghana must go. Ghana must go. Ladies and gentlemen, please put together for Ghana must go, please. Maybe they interpret. Your Excellency, when I go greet my uncle for hospital in the morning, he did bed. They put 12 drip. One for this ear, another one for ear, another one for nose. He procust, they put 4. When I go greet her, just they take me like my uncle. The Ghana must go, that I go die. Yeah, what my uncle do when he see me, that's what first do. Now he greet me. Do.
You say, well done.
What really?
You come.
Ah, wow. In the election, either.
Now so election be.
If we turn a contest, I error.
The people will say contest, where they did.
But they have voted surprising me.
But they surprise me.
They have voted surprising me.
Did they surprise me?
The result to now.
This result.
If only Canary.
People come out from Ghana come.
But if only Cotonou.
People come out from Cotonou.
Or did that another election in that?
Not be Delta State they do this election.
Now wow. When you go to any contest, I protest.
The people who say contest, they not protest.
Oh yeah, I accept the result now.
Now they say they don't accept the result too.
Now wow.
Wait till they pay me now.
If family has a share.
For where our family they now Adofe.
Hi. Genevere.
You call the name.
People don't want you.
I won't warn you.
Anything politics.
Anything politics.
Siobono.
Come on hand.
Siobono.
Come on hand.
Siobono.
Come on hand.
For this result.
Because when they call result,
what's a war?
You fit die.
Siobono.
Come on hand.
Siobono.
Come on hand.
Area. That was why when Peter B was contest, Nigeria was shouting, obedient. Truly, are we really obedient? The answer is yes. We are tired of the political class. We are tired of the frustration. We are tired of the hunger. Everybody shout, change. I don't already know where. I respect Peter Obi. For the very first time in the history of our politics, he made a son of nobody to become a senator. For the very first time, a man came out and the whole country stood by him. There's a signal signing to the politicians. So we are tired. They have pushed us to the wall. Your Excellency, when did they go? I don't already know. When they call the result, you know Gani Fawemi. Now make me see the Senate test. Relax after the result. Gani Fawemi na son. In case you don't understand son, senior advocate of Nigeria. Now that they judge case, they send people to jail. Son with white wig. Now in Nigeria they shout, you are the people president. Contest, contest, contest. Your Excellency. Gani Fawemi came out to contest. When they announced the result, NROC 13 million, SDP 42 million. They go announce EO. Conscious Party 2. Your Excellency, you know this shocked me? When you they watch, when a old senior advocate of Nigeria, when you they watch out for 18, you know what Gani Fawemi they talk? His voice come like Peter Obi. See what he call they talk. Wow. On earth will I have 2 votes? Now only one thing they talk to Your Excellency. Let's assuming they listen to us and they thought they go. You go know why the man they assume. Let's assume I voted for myself. And my wife also voted for me. What about the partition? Let's assume it. My area people did not vote for me. Let's assume. Let's also assume that the people in the party did not vote for me. Or 8 will I have to vote? Let's assume it. The guy assume. When they call her for put up pan, they say, let me go and assume my cough. That is Gani Fawemi. When they call result of Labour Party, for the very first time in the history of Nigeria, when Tinubu they contest, people they shout, he they shake, Jagaban, he they shake, Jagaban, hand they shake. Jagaban, hand they shake, Tinubu they fall. CC win. He don't fall. He hands still they shake. Tinubu na 419. He was playing the Northerners. When Buhari was contesting, now some people said if he died, Osibajo to take over. Buhari, when he did for 8 years, he got even fresh past me and you. Jagaban, they look for back. It's okay, this is why they walk. When they come, the Northerners still say go soon die. Then they tell their people, that is not what the man will soon die. If he dies, Shetima will take over. For where? Now they job. Then they talk, Tinubu and they shake. He had those shakes. Now Tinubu they talk, now the full country they shake. Would they ever beg and make it not talk again, make the country not shake? So when I announced the result, Your Excellency, I sent Your Excellency test. I say, Your Excellency, you have done well. Congratulate Nigeria that stood by you. Thank them. He called back. No, says I didn't come. He said, I'm going to court. I tell him, court. Nigeria court na cutlass. Now cutlass, I'm going to court. You go the first court. You go the second. Area! You talk. You not talk. Let me talk. And live will not be die. But then, Your Excellency, the reason I'm talking to you is this. You are very young. That is why Edo State people stood by you and Obaseki. And do you know the signal? Talk back. The very first time in the politics of Nigeria that we had a deputy governor stood by his master. The very first time. They not by your conscience. You stood by your master. For the very first time, the people of Edo State prove to those that have the power that the power of the people is bigger than those in power. They voted for you people. I was not really expecting this. Area, make I talk. Your Excellency, now they say my talk, oh. For the very first time, after the election, the same people that stood for you people, I am building investment plan in Edo State, worth over $6 million. Una come destroy. If God give you power to lead, do everything that the next generation will remember you. I'm only telling you people that the next 50, 60, 100 years, me and you not go there yet. You can only be remembered by your work for humanity. You talk, you die. You not talk, you die. Let me talk and die. You don't always go everybody event. You show support to entertainers. I respect you for that. You know why? You are very young. Now, Kabaka advice when I do my show, so make I go carry native daughter. Your Excellency, he said the native daughter go rain. I said, but rain not go for. He said, carry. He said, get person for palace. Your Excellency, to say I follow my conscience, I for not listening to Kabaka. As I carry the man around 4, weather change. 6 o'clock, rain they fall. Now I call Kabaka. I say, rain they fall. He said, the man they walk. 7 o'clock, I call Kabaka again. He say, the man they walk now, they clear the rain. I said, every rain they fall. 9 o'clock, now Kabaka test me the man number. Now I call, I say, where you dey? He said, they palace. I said, what you they do? He said, you know the city. Rain home before you. Now God the hurry, man not the hurry. Area. Money, they finish. Now your mouth and your works, now go leave. The day when I start to the answer, I go die. I know. Say one day. Talk just now. He said he spent how many million? 37 million. Someone will say, hey, na lie. Your Excellency, na truth. You don't, me, he never spent. If to say I won't pay my professional fee, na 20 million. Now beg. He be like politician with me peel. Now take day here. We don't go do show before. I don't talk am before. And I go talk am again so that you understand and I go. We don't go do show before for Kaduna, Your Excellency. The guy bring whiskey, Davido, Burna Boy. You know how much whiskey they charge? Whiskey charge 700 million with that is small body. With 2 private jets. One are for him, the other one are for a club. Our God said we can't go Kaduna. The guy carry 4 big star, P-Square, Whiskey, Davido, Burna Boy. I go die. Godons. Kaduna. I couldn't wonder. This guy want contest for president. Who give her money? But some people get mad, so they talk to you. You will come up from your palace. So just the way casino they talk to me, take on you. And so the guy talk to us. Me, Your Excellency, they don't give me 50%. As Davido, they do rich 50%. Whiskey, 50%. Now only P-Square, now I collect 80%. Ipo man. When we land, the way the guy they greet us, see the guy's voice. Oh boy, good day, man. You are too much. People are expecting you, man. Come and talk to the people. Whiskey. That's what the guy they shout. If you see the show, na stadium, I don't know say the guy don't first talk say one bring Arokeli, come Kaduna. Arokeli, the time when want to come Kaduna, now that time they take send her to prison. So the guy just want build his image back. Awusa people, once they make up their mind, they don't make up their mind. As they go stadium, that if you see crowd, your excellency, stadium full go outside. Now in the morning when the guy they can't give us money, now say we have people of integrity. Since Ghana must go, now the guy carry come, want to pay us. When he waka carry the Ghana must go, people follow and carry him. When he come, all of us sit down for bar with the gist. As we see him, Ipoma, na Ipoma no. P-Square knows, na first cement the balance. He say, oh, now the guy don't come with our balance. Now so we pause. But when the guy start to talk, as a worry boy, I don't already know where they go. Now the first thing will come up for a man. Una door. His voice lost. Una door. Una try well. Hey. Una come on shave for my eye. Davido, you try. You try. We don't already know where they go. At once the phone ring, he pick. Hello? Not be wife, not me. My voice not lost. My voice lost. He got full. Somebody can say, "Want to talk to my wife?" And they tell her, "Say, not me, they argue." Now P-Square asks, "What did do your voice?" Now they start. Now I explain. You see that crowd of yesterday? Nobody pay. When we don't hear nobody pay, we don't already know say problem there. Everybody just look themselves. The guy continue. You know, Sabi, one bring Arokele when mess up. Now let me say, make I do this one. As the crowd come, now so they push the gate. Soldier, what we put for them, they shout, "Go back." Even me, they shout, "Go back, go back. I expect a lot. Go back, go back. I expect a lot." Before I see, now they for the gate. Now everybody enter. What I go do? Not be person die now. If a man they get P-Square, nice thing confirm. What he come the Ghana must go now our balance. No! At this son I don't go believe. Now the ticket. I go there line. See VIP now. See VIP, see regular, see this. Sir, this time, we know say we just strand. We came in from Lagos. I want to go back now. That be the problem. God does now ask one smart question. I will take go back. Now the guy, he always put that is very good question. The guy will say, "Okay, that is very good question. Now let me bring this God is good motto. If he move now, at least before tomorrow evening, una don reach." Now that's it, I verse Davido. Because this one we decide that meeting, we not see whiskey. Now that thing I verse Davido. Now Davido say, "What nonsense. I flew the way from Lagos to here. You are telling me to enter bus to go back to Lagos. Can you try this rubbish to whiskey?" Now the guy say, talk for yourself. Oh. Now yesterday night, now see whiskey for lift. I go explain to her. Whiskey, somebody they give her 2 more pounds. Now that night, now I come out. Area. You talk, you die. You not talk. Let me talk and leave. It's been a wonderful night. I want to celebrate my friend, my brother. Please put your hands together for MC Casino. Well done. Not like that. That's why you know what pay me back last night you did so. I want to ask you, how the show they go? Make it not be say your voice not like. How the show they go? Hey.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the living legend, I Go Die. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as I make welcome tallest of them all. It goes by the name Cal Becky. Come on, show some love.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't.
Hey, don't do. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, if you know you are happy that God kept you all through 2023 and you are alive today, please put your hands together for the Almighty God. Come on. God, see people you save, bro. People who you keep draw last day. Another clap. They see that now. Ladies and gentlemen, body got the sweet me sings. Oh God, this is our God, this Asaba. My uncle, 14-year-old son, I don't promise him iPhone 15 Pro Max. Because now so your papa promised me bicycle when I did JSS2. Today I'm not see. If you see that iPhone, that. You will not believe it. Now, wow. Now be smart happen for crossover nights last night. Oh. I don't know. I just have to make our guy enter any church for crossover. Yeah? Doing offering, pastor dropped 2K inside offering basket. After church, head usher count offering, tell pastor say total offering na 700. As I speak with you now, both pastor and head usher, they don't go island house, go swear. Pastor says somebody must die. He don't do. This thing what they call sport betting. Wetin happen today? Now I know say if government not ban sport betting this year, na small go remain. Sport betting. You say now today pastor they pray New Year prayer, they decree for us. As they decree. Next one, yeah, this year your game will enter. Your ticket will not cut. You see, he don't like this. He don't like this. Danger. This Benin, he got some things what they do for this Benin last year. I beg, make them not carry and enter this 2024. I beg. Now for this Benin person, what they do, he go say want to do small get together. He go say please just come. It's just a small get together. But they go hide money changer for inside room. Before you chop 2 spoons of rice, hey God. Very small thing. Wanna stop that in this year? This Benin, so I beg this one, now girls they do this thing. Benin girls I take up beg now. Not carry this character in 2024. You know, it's not for Benin. Now Benin girl, you go to talk to her, you say, sorry, do you smoke? She go say, no, me, I don't smoke. Oh. You can ask all my friends. I ask Cynthia, and ask Tony, I don't smoke. I only take shisha. Shisha now stick sweet.
You dey smoke, oh.
I tell you. All the Yahoo boys I take up beg una. Yahoo boys I beg una. Anything una they do, make una they know so una children they observe una. Which day for year teacher they teach for inside class. Now he begin ask the students, say, you, a person from America is called what? Person stand up, say, a person from America is called an American. They say, clap for him. They clap. He said, you, a person from Canada is called what? He stand up, say, somebody from Canada is called Canadian. They say, clap for him. And another teammate teacher go ask a no girl of Taiwan picking question. Now I say, you, Sadion, a person from China is called what? That's another kind of say, a person from China is called client. That's what I do for you. But whether you like it or not, Benin girls are still one of the most beautiful and natural girls in the whole of Nigeria. Take it from me. If you are a Benin girl here and you are proud and you know you are beautiful, please give yourself a round of applause. Come on. Put your hands together for yourself. You know they try. You know why they talk this thing? If you go Lagos now, if you see fake nyash,
As I speak to you now, every girl for Lagos now getting yash 2 by 2. Yash everywhere. Billy girls very natural. Not be say they don't like to do yash but no money. So that time, sometime early last year now, we get one doctor for Lagos for Lekki Phase 1 where they do yash for girls for Lagos. Now Benin man. So they come begin talk to her. Benin people over there come they talk. The guy say, no, go back home and empower your girls. You are a Benin man. Say, make your girls yash. Don't let your yash rise. Because Lagos now say Lagos girl before you date Lagos girl, you go and say, is this your yash? Is this first body? So as they advise the guy, now the guy say, okay, no problem. Now he come Benin, say one come empower Benin girls. The guy be there, I'm about for here now. They do yash for girls. Dr. Ken, I go bless that man. You know, say that man be the first man who start doing yash for girls on credit. Very nice guy. He go do yash for you, your good yash to go work. We don't make money, you come back. Now one girl, now drive that man come up for Benin. So people are very heartless. Now so one girl go do yash for this man place. The man do yash for the girl on credit. The girl carry the yash. Okay, when it reach time for this girl to come pay this man money, when I say this girl carry the man yash wrong. People are ingrate.
All the Google things what they do for Benin girls, I want to for heaven.
They are reward them about. And as the girls rugged, now so the boys still rugged though. Benin boys. You go Abuja, tell Abuja boyfriend, say, baby, sing a love song for me. You go, yes, sweet love song. You are my African queen. The girl of my dreams. Girl go fall in love. Go Lagos. Lagos girl go tell her boyfriend, say, baby, sing a love song for me. Go, yeah, love song. You are the treasure that I see. You were close to me, yet I did not know. But Benin boys, who do us this thing? Now let Benin boys go tell her, say, baby, sing a love song for me. Wait again now. Iye, my baby. Why? Stadium, why? Benin boy will tell you, say, you will tell Benin boy, say, I love you. He will tell you, say, that one day. But ladies and gentlemen, sharply, before I leave, I like to let them know something. I don't say girls generally. Girls, they're very comfortable with each other than guys. Girls, 4 girls, they stay inside room. They feel they walk out from inside the room naked. They do things freely. For example, now, girl just bath come out from the bedroom naked. They find clothes. For which they find clothes, another of our roommates will just enter the room. Oh my gosh. Sonia, you're so blessed. Look at you, you're so blessed. You can't go touch her. Look now. Oh, Sonia, come on, you're so soft. You can't call the other roommate. Come and sit down. You can't touch. Oh, Sonia, you're so blessed. You see me, Sonia. Are you serious? Why is it right? Man. So maybe someone like me now, as I prepare to come this show now, I'll come back from inside the bedroom naked. I can't go for where I want to rub cream for my leg. Then my guy, maybe Yanis, you go enter the room. Oh boy, Quebec, you carry, I kill her now.
You dey do homosexual?
Yes. So I won't come out now, but I'll come clap me for talk. I won't come out. Good night, ladies and gentlemen.
Where them day?
Money exchange.
1 killer, 2 killer, 3 killer. You put in the pattern.
DJ break it down. This Benin una too do sha. How person go dey marry second wife, come dey do bachelor's eve? DJ, stop! I'm angry. This year I no agree for anybody. If person do something, I'll call a name. You do bachelor's eve for second wife. Destiny Bagua. As I dey crack the joke, I dey call your name this year. How years we don't fight for Ogbe Stadium? Where Kabaka? You were supposed to buy table. You don't go to sing. Where my leader Kabaka? How come I know they see him? You know, say they know they quit the see him. Now in boys they quit see. DJ, know they play. Enter my. You they mad? This year no grief for anybody. Oh, that boy whether they call Ola Dips Namumo. He go they do say he died 2 days. He prank himself say he died 2 days. Oswald. He get love say no be bombard papa be papa. He not get sense again. If say na Mohbad papa be papa, therefore bury am alive. Therefore even give am coffee wey go break him neck. Oswald, they prank people for good 2 days. Till now, God will not agree. They say you are dead. Bro, if you decide they like Google the guy, God will say he died. Oswald. Just to wake in career. Last 2 years, casino carry 2 face. Now you know say na blast from the past. When money no dey to carry artist again. This year now, he got carry face alone. Mona pray for Ramo. Next year, may no go carry Bobrisky.
Where them dey?
They're there now. I don't finally see Kabaka, my leader. But Kabaka, you too do. Challenge where everybody they do. That song now, na me be the don dada. Una see Kabaka. You know, say when I see Kabaka, I call the fear. Or got challenge where everybody they do. That they use nyash. Even Barbares use nyash. You reach your turn, now you carry gun. They just stop. I call the head dog Kabaka. See gun, then they shoot up. Po, po. Why I tell no say you rugged there? For the end, you see shoot gun. Stop. You know say when you do that challenge, now they end. Kabaka turn challenge to challenges. Una to do for this million. Una to get mind though. People that say, hey, Lekute will know they see you again. How you want to see me? Who send me go born pikin? My child of 2 years, whenever no say I'm even born am. I carry and go school, go register am. They say 500,000 just for them to they play. For play, ordinary play. Una shock say casino, don't people know they come out. We they play with our children. Anytime you hear baby sha do baby sha, you know pass like that.
What is it, young children?
Stop! For me to pay 500,000, my pikin go move from KG1 to NYC. What kind of nonsense with that? When Tinu Kabaka, you be supporting Tinubu, abi? I no get fuel, buy me fuel. The best, this country don't they fold up, oh. This country, do you know that as all of us they here now, Nigeria don't rocket, oh. They kidnap one guy for Ekpoma. In family, finally pay. They give one boy money, may go give kidnappers. The boy carry money wrong. See where Nigeria police, mumu. Police come, they call kidnapper, they say, how far? When I don't hear from the boy. Nothing pay me. Kidnapper come tell police, say, ha? Now, wow, all these boys say, they give you money, may you give kidnapper, you don't give them. You won't reap from where you know so. Like say them so. Miracle, no they tire Jesus. So. Stop it. Una you dey shout new year, new me, new year, new me. Small new year where you start, you don't collect infection. Is that your new year resolution? Some of una too do. How you go so as you be for a shower papa burial? You reach there and come meet your pastor. Una come dey queue. And I keep telling people whether you like it or not. Internet don't change many things. When I newly married, I can't enter Okoromi my side. Now casino come they advise me say you go try buy dog. Me no look where I can't go buy dog where they fear pass me. Leader, you know say my dog they first me sleep. He get one night my dog just back run enter his house. I say what happened? He said they dream bad dream. My dog, they first me sleep dog. But beneath all cast, you know, say that place up and I get Swiss street name. You're the essence savior. For your mind, if you go there, savior will save you. You call the Jesus Christ. Not be last week for Jesus Christ street. That they beat one guy calling for Jesus just the look. Jesus they sharp my hand no deal. This Benin. Benin too tough. Benin remains the best city in the whole world. Wanna clap for ourselves. Then this guy they talk say hotel this, hotel that. You don't go lodge for upper. When I go lodge for upper, they give me candle. Now attention no say, na court I join. Upper, I can't put my shower for hot so that I'll use hot water bath. My own just they go for my room. Now my neighbor run come and they shine my eye. Now the owner of the hotel they say no, hot no if you work for your room. You get the way you take them. You be men. Me no say na men they use hot water they bath. For Abuja now, if you love girl, you say hello babe, I love you so much. Please be my girlfriend. For Benin, upper especially now upper person go high. Nobody send and drink. You come meet the girl. Hello fine girl. They with me I don't high. Later. So the girl will say, what's the meaning of that? The girl will call the shark, what's the meaning of that? Now the guy, friends, go to tell the girl, how far? Now men you want day to. Not go they use men, they play you. Only one person are men. Benin are too tough. Now, whether you like it or not, if you don't understand good English, just speak your language. The cab guy where drop me, somebody just hit him. Now he come down. He said, you know who I be? The cab where hit him say, who do you be? The man want the hit one say, you want to know who do me be? Now me reach there, now I say, do me be. Ladies and gentlemen, God bless you. Enjoy the rest of the night.
We sit and go and get joy. My name is Benin. The English thing now.
Come on, give it up for Lekute! Say, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah.